Hello and welcome to the Alberta Watercourse Crossing Inventory, or ABWCI, app video tutorial. Today I will be walking you through the app and I will show you how to complete the short version of the form. This version of the form is to be used by public recreation groups and citizen scientists. So to get started using the ABWCI app, you will need to register as a new user so you can log in. Once you click on register as a new user, you will be asked to enter in an email and password as well as your name. Once this is completed, you will need to verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your account email. When registering, please ensure you are in cellular service or are connected to Wi-Fi so that you can verify your account. Once this is completed, you will be able to log into the app. Once you have completed the login, you will see two additional tabs on the bottom of the screen. One is the Inspections tab, and the other is the About Us tab. In the About Us section, you will find a PDF link to the user manual for the app. There are also links to the WCP website and AWC3 contact pages. On the Inspections tab, you will find a screen with three buttons at the top. The first top button is to create or start a new survey, denoted with the plus symbol. Clicking this button will bring you to a new survey to be filled out. The next button is the Submission button, denoted by the play symbol. Pressing this button will push all of the surveys in the queue to the dashboard where the data is stored. Pressing this button will only submit the surveys that have been completed in their entirety. The last button is the Delete button, denoted by a garbage can. Pressing this will delete all the surveys in the queue. Once you have completed some surveys, they will be visible in the queue on the Inspections tab. The colored buttons below each survey are very similar to the top buttons, but only apply to that specific survey instead of to all the surveys in the queue. The yellow exclamation point denotes that not all fields on the form have been filled out. You have to fill out all the fields for the survey to be submitted. Clicking this yellow button will prompt you to edit the survey for the fields that you are missing. The green play button will submit the survey and the red garbage can button will delete the survey. Now I will walk you through the short form survey. Please note that there are blue information icons placed throughout the survey to provide definitions and pictures relating to that specific data field. To begin with, you will answer a question about the crossing type. You will have the options of bridge, permanent or temporary, culvert, single or multiple, log fill, ford, suspended, or reclaimed. You can only choose one of these options. Next is the erosion category. Depending on how you answer the first field, more fields may be auto-generated. If there is no erosion at the site and you select no, that is the end of the section. If you choose yes, you will then be able to fill out the source of the erosion and the level of erosion occurring. For erosion source, you can choose bank slump, bridge deck, ditch, ditch gully, false ditch, fill slope, or road surface. For erosion level, the two options are low or high/unsatisfactory. The next section is asking whether there are problems with the crossing structure. There is only one field with a yes or no answer. We will then move on to fish passage, whether a fish could move from one side of the crossing to the other. You can choose from serious concerns or no concerns. There is also a section included for general remarks where you can type comments on the crossing itself, as well as a multiple choice question regarding the overall crossing condition, which has good, fair, or poor. Finally, there is a section for 6 photos. The first 4 have labels for what the picture should be, and the last 2 are for anything extra. And that is the completion of the short survey form. Once you have completed a survey in its entirety, save the survey using the Save button in the top right-hand corner. Pressing this button will alert you if any of the fields on the form need to be filled out. If not, This button will take you back to the original inspection tab where you should see your survey in the queue. From there, you can upload the survey to the data dashboard using the green play button. Please ensure you are in cellular service or connected to Wi-Fi when uploading surveys. If you have collected multiple surveys from a day in the field, you can click the top play button to submit all of them at once. Thank you for watching the video on the ABWCI short form completion. If you have any questions or comments about the program or the app itself, please go to the About Us tab and find resources for contact there. Thank you.